Ohio, Ayumi J po. Today, I'll be showing you how I enjoy my diet even at my favorite restaurant. Dito sa Quays Pacific Grill, here in Minatomirai City, Yokohama, Japan. Quays Pacific Grill is such an exceptional place, surrounded by the sea, and super relaxing. Kahit na hindi kami nakakuha ng table with an ocean view kasi fully booked na, especially on a Saturday night. I'll still enjoy my meal and show you around. First up, orange juice. Super refreshing and perfect to kick off my meal. Look at this lettuce salad. Sobrang laki at parang hindi nakat. But that's fine. It just makes me feel like I'm eating healthy. Next, my beef steak. Just enough protein for today. Tingnan nyo, sobrang juicy and cooked to perfection. And of course, my one piece of beef soft nacho. A little treat to keep things fun. One lang ang kinain ko ha. Kinain yan ng videographer ko. Napadayat din tuloy siya. Even though we couldn't sit in front of the ocean, the ambience here is still amazing. Check out the bar, the roastery, and the brewery. The distillery upstairs is also impressive. You can still enjoy delicious meal while sticking to your diet. Balanced eating is the key. What are your go-to diet meals? Let me know sa comment section. Don't forget to track your calories. It helps keep you on track. Bukas I'll work out at babawiin ko yung nakain ko today to balance today's meal. Now, let's take a quick tour upstairs. The view of Yokohama Minatomirai is a futuristic waterfront with a high-rise, vibrant lights, and you can also see the Cosmo Clock 21 Ferris wheel dito. Hindi nga lang naka-open today kasi maulan lately. And also the floating restaurant in the sea. Maganda dito lalo na sa gabi. Kitang-kita mo yung mga ilaw sa gabi. Napaka-relaxing. So, that's it for today, guys. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Make smart choices and enjoy your meals. Nakakabusog. Masarap naman siya. And okay yung place. Although, hindi kami dun sa magandang location sa taas. Mamaya, papakita ko. And please don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more updates. See you next time. Mata ne!